Getting started with FormGent is quick and easy. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation and activation process step by step. To install FormGent from the WordPress plugin directory, first, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Then, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type FormGent and press Enter. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now. After the installation is completed, click Activate. Prefer a manual installation? No problem. Start by downloading the FormGent plugin file from the WordPress plugin repository. Next, go to Plugins, click Add New, and then Upload Plugin. Select the downloaded file and click Install Now. Once uploaded, activate the plugin. Once activated, FormGent is in your WordPress admin menu. From here, you can access settings, create forms, and explore all its features. If you've purchased FormGent Pro, activate your license to unlock premium features. This part of this video is included in the Activating FormGent Pro license part. That's it. You've successfully installed and activated FormGent. Now, you're all set to create powerful forms in minutes.